Here we fitted a Pioneer AVH Z7200DAB 7-inch flip out stereo. So that's basically what it looks like when it's actually in the dash. And this is the original stereo. So if you have a look, it's quite a basic system. I don't think it even has Bluetooth, no Bluetooth. So it's just basically a radio and a CD player, that's all it is. This is a 1995 Mercedes SL, so it's an old vehicle. Obviously that would have been the state of the art in its era, which is pretty much outdated today. And a lot of people want CarPlay these days, and you cannot get a doubled-in stereo in this car to give you CarPlay. It's just not possible. If you want one of these floating head units, that will go in here, but then it will obstruct the heater controls, and it becomes a bit of an issue regarding, you know, usability on a day-to-day basis. So the option for this one is this Pioneer flip-out stereo. So if I turn it on, and as you can see, it flips out. So this particular stereo has normal radio, it has DAB radio, it has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth and Bluetooth streaming. It has a CD slot, so if you've got CD players, CDs, you could do that. It also plays DVD, so you could actually watch movies on here as well if you wanted to. So the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is not wireless on this unit, is wired, so you have to plug it into a USB. So if I do that, and now it all connects up. So I've just got to unlock my phone. And now you've got Apple CarPlay. So you have your Google Maps. If I want to go into Waze, you've got Waze, Spotify, and you can stream, obviously play your music through there. So it absolutely modernises the car, so you've got all the functionality you're used to from a modern vehicle. Now obviously if you want to go to the actual heater controls, you could actually play something on this while it's playing. Then you could just flip the screen back and it's still playing, and if it's on the radio or what have you, and then you can mess around your heater controls if you want to. And if you actually want to see the screen again, you could just do that. And there's only one button, so it's not exactly that difficult to do, and it's not exactly that intrusive when you're driving along. So for this sort of vehicle, it's probably one of the better solutions. There's not a lot of solutions out there regarding if you want Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, especially when you want to go, you know, use it for mapping and what have you. And the customers obviously want it for Bluetooth calling and mapping. That's the two main purpose for it, rather than having a stick-on unit on the windscreen. So there you have it. That's the Pioneer AVH Z7200DAB flip-out 7-inch stereo.